quite expensive, but very good. There's a lot of other things on the market which, over the years, I've found to be like useless.
So is that going through now?
That's what this is doing. Is going into the DPF now. I'll show you a piece of DPF in a minute. And what it does, because all the holes are blocked in it, this is seeping through, eating away at all the rubbish, all the crap on it. And then when we start it, it'll heat up and blow a bit of smoke out now, getting rid of it. So
I can see the fluid going down.
that's
Is it going through now?
That's going into DPF. So we just leave that for 5 minutes or so, and that'll eat away.
Right.
That'll eat away all the crap in there.
Because there's a post in some you get flies and all sorts. No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this. That's why they're so expensive.
So it goes through.
So that's what it's like
that way,
inside.
comes out that way, or vice versa.
Yeah, or vice versa. Yeah,
Goes in one.
but they're not like holes that go right through. They sort of like do that.
Zigzagging.
Yeah. So what happens is when they get blocked, you're not getting nothing out. So that one's unblocked, obviously, because you can blow through it. But I mean, there must be something getting through yours, but obviously not a big deal. Through is, but not a big deal. Yeah. So that's what it is that actually blocks them.
Yeah.
So.
So do you know your lights are on?
Yeah.
I hope your battery's good, because
No, it's good.
pushing you.
So what we're doing now, we're just blocking the hole off. So when we start the engine, all the crap goes out the back now. It's not putting no pressure on your sensor, because it'll just blow your sensor otherwise.
Okay.
Minutes to warm up.